Hi everyone, today we're going to read The Little Mouse, The Red Ripe Strawberry, and The Big Hungry Bear. Okay, let's find out what's going to happen here. Oh, hello little mouse. What are you doing? See how you spell the D-O? You flip it upside down. I mean, you have an inquisitive look on your face. What are you doing? So much to do here. Ah, I see. Are you going to pick that red ripe strawberry? He certainly looks like he's thinking about it. Oh, but little mouse. But little mouse, haven't you heard about the big hungry bear? Think that got his attention. Oh, how that bear loves red ripe strawberries. Oh, he's shaking now. He's worried. The big hungry bear can smell a strawberry from a mile away. Especially one that has just been picked. Oh boy, he's looking scared now. Boo, wait, there it is. Let's get up there. Oh, the pictures are so great in here. Boom, boom, boom. The bear will tromp through the forest on his big, hungry feet and find that strawberry. Oh no, he's running now. He's running. Oh, no matter where it is hidden. No, or who is guarding it? Or how it is disguised. The picture is so funny. Quick! There's only one way in the whole wide world to save a red ripe strawberry from a big hungry bear. Well, he's hiding, but maybe he's going to hear us out. Cut it in two. There he is, cutting it in two. Oh, so cute. Share half with me. And we'll both eat it. Both eat it all up. Yum. So cute. Now that's one way to save a red ripe strawberry from the big hungry bear. And then look at the end there. The end. Sorry, and that's by Dawn and Audrey Wood. That one's so cute. That's one of my favorites. All right, great job.